In the UK, the transport line between London and Manchester is a prime route for the ultimate test of vehicle reliability. The route is over 320 kilometers long, with a daily passenger flow of tens of thousands. The rainy and humid climate, combined with high-intensity operation, constantly challenges the reliability of vehicles on this line. FlixBus, the world's leading long-distance passenger transport provider, has appointed Bellevue to operate London-Manchester route. When Bellevue chose vehicles for this route, reliability emerged as the top priority, and Yutong Coach T12 stood out for its trusted performance.
We looked around for a midi coach. We tried one or two in the past, but we wasn't quite happy with those. It was through Pelican was introduced to the TC9, and we tried that, we liked it, and we bought two, and that's how it led us into the Yutong product. I think when we went to the Yutong factory and we looked at the modern technology of electric vehicles as well, this looked like an ideal solution for the future expansion. So we're very passenger focused. We look at the GT12, it's quite a modern shape, has air conditioning, a nice toilet and washroom, very comfortable seats. We have phone chargers, tables, that's everything really for the modern passenger travelling around the UK. We've got 22 new coaches planned. I think we have 18 in service today. We have 4 more waiting delivery this month.
The T12 delivered in 2024 has been in operation for 1.5 years, and its reliability has been fully validated under FlixBus's demanding 24/7 operations. The 100% availability record, backed by Yutong's round-the-clock after-sales service, ensures continuous high-performance service without interruption.
So the Yutongs have been really reliable, and the service, the backup from Pelican has been exceptional really. They're always out within 24 hours. So in terms of breakdowns, very, very few. So, we've been pleased with the product, definitely.
The exceptional performance of the T12 stems from Yutong's rigorous quality control. From component selection to stringent vehicle testing, it achieves a remarkable 20-year, 2 million kilometer design lifespan through meticulous production standards, delivering reliable performance for efficient operations. Moreover, it excels in both driving experience and operational efficiency. Its comprehensive fuel consumption, approximately 24 liters per 100 kilometers, outperforms comparable models. It can effortlessly cope with diverse, complex operational scenarios while reducing costs for operators, delivering a pleasant travel experience for both drivers and passengers.
I think one of the most important aspects of this GT12 coach is the amazing build quality, which is as good as any other vehicle you can buy in this market. And that is supported by a very powerful engine and a very, very good quality of ride, which combines to give a very good passenger and driver experience.
Yutong T12 features an advanced powertrain and intelligent driving assist system, delivering robust power, smooth gear shifting, and agile handling. Drivers can easily handle both frequent start-stop operations in urban congestion and high-speed cruising on highways.
I've been driving for quite a while now, more than 18 months. I prefer it a lot more than other makes. It's very responsive on the road, so when you need to get moving, it moves when you want it to go forward. The hand turning is very good when you need to go around corners. It's also very comfortable for us, so I really enjoy driving this versus our other coach.
It's comfortable, smooth.
So obviously the ride's quite comfortable. Obviously I do got Wi-Fi as well, so I can connect my iPad or tablet, watch any movies, Netflix I can watch. So for like long journeys.
Over 100 Yutong T12 coaches are currently serving FlixBus routes across the UK. It's upgrading how British travel long distance, making every journey confident and more worry-free. Moving forward, Yutong remains committed to innovation-driven development continuously refining vehicle safety standards, passenger comfort features, and operational efficiency. Our teams are dedicated to ensuring every vehicle embodies unwavering reliability while delivering exceptional travel experience. As we deepen our collaboration with FlixBus, we are equally eager to join forces with more like-minded partners to collectively reshape the future landscape of long-distance transportation.